Hello mga idol. So, yan, meron tayong itik dyan mga idol. So, magandang hapon sa ating lahat mga idol. So, good afternoon guys. So, now guys, I speak English. Okay? So, now, for now, the date is October 7, 2024. Okay? Now guys, we are in front, I am here inside in the car, this car. You see this car? SRT, Dodge. That's Challenger SRT. Okay. So now guys, this is now this video is good. Okay. Because this they have problem for transmission, not moving in forward, not moving in reverse. Okay. And we have code. I will show you. Okay. I will already scan. Now we have code for transmission. P077. See output shaft speed sensor circuit low. Okay. So he said output speed sensor. Now have also code park by wire. Okay. So now guys, I want to show you this car is not moving forward and reverse. Okay. Now start. Okay. And when I put reverse, and you see the car not moving. Okay. And when I put drive. Okay, so the car not moving. Any no reverse, no drive. Okay, right. Okay. Now, and the transmission also have a noise. Okay, so now I go in the downside. I will have the car and have one guy stay inside, and will I show you or I show you the sound in the transmission. Okay. Guys, so now guys, you see have a leak for the transmission fluid.
ये अभी यहाँ हुआ है क्या ये वहीं वहाँ पे
No. So guys, so now guys, you see the transmission housing is broken. Right? See?
टूटा है पूरा
Need to replace. See? What broken all. Need to replace all the transmission. See? कसर कुल्लो आता सब क्लाच ना okay. So dear Kamil kalam awal. Okay, so now guys, you see the crack from this side. See? Okay, you see the crack from this side and this. Okay. Now we have luck here. It can be overhaul but need to replace the housing. But it's better if you fix assembly. Okay. So guys, this is the car. Dodge Challenger SRT. Okay. So, tara mga idol. Tara, gawa mo kayo. Tara mga idol. Ano siya ako? Pahak ka. Kabs ya? Ano na eh? Sing. So, buwag na naman tayo mga idol. Kinalang isa daw kasimple. Pala ito kasimple ni. Wala mga idol. So, maniyahan transmission dali. So, iPhone masya. Ada iPhone ba? iPhone 20.